Three, two, one.
Dear brothers and sisters, I think you're doing well. I will explain about reasons to sell. Price is in supply area. Price has rejected to this supply zone and failed to make new momentum high. I will use Fibonacci retracement to find entry zone. Fibo entry zone match our sell area. Lower time frames also musculator makes divergence. Market reacted to our setup nicely, running profit over $40. I always try to avoid fights, but if I start, I will never step back.